Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we will discuss some of the major problems of the world. Are people more troubled by their own problems, or is it the neglect of the environment that poses a greater issue? What could be the solutions to these problems? This is the topic of our discussion today. Ram Narayan Ram is a sound energy. The first Ram represents the sky or heavens. Narayan refers to countless stars, planets, and celestial bodies. The second Ram signifies all living beings, animals, plants, and trees. The sound of Ram Narayan Ram is a complete sound in itself, encompassing the sky, the underworld, the earth, and all living creatures. Nothing is excluded or left behind in this sound. The resonance of Ram Narayan Ram includes everything from the tiniest particle of soil to all of creation. Ram Narayan Ram is the true name of God. The sound of Ram Narayan Ram is present in trees, plants, animals, and all living beings. It is the voice of our inner consciousness and awareness. This sound belongs to everyone, includes everyone, is with everyone, and exists for every form of existence. Ram Narayan Ram speaks to us. It gives us a voice whenever we call upon it. It is a sound that hears, understands, and responds to our calls. It completes all our tasks. As human beings, we think, plan, and formulate principles, but it is Ram Narayan Ram that guides us to perform our actions. We must understand Ram Narayan Ram, embed it in our hearts, and move forward with faith in it. Whatever actions we take or thoughts we have, the foundation of all of them is Ram Narayan Ram. It is present everywhere, in every particle. Beyond this Ram, there is nothing else in the world. There should be only one religion, Herethi religion of life. All other religions on earth are man-made, and they are not the truth. We should follow the laws of nature. We are all born with an innate religion. If we are born with it, why are we chasing the religions created by humans? Why are we wasting our time on these man-made beliefs? With a global population of about 8 billion, who is leading us astray with these fabricated religions? We need to identify that. Those who misled people by using man-made religions as a foundation, deceiving and exploiting them, must be punished and exposed before society. This task cannot be accomplished by one person alone. No single individual can achieve this. We all need to come together and inspire society to take collective action. The Hamanmade constitutions and religions are not scientific. They were created by a few people for their own selfish purposes, and they completely misled humanity. There are approximately 400 religions recognized on earth. The so-called custodians of these religions exploit people under the guise of these practices. First and foremost, humans must understand that our lifespan on this earth is only 60, 70, or 100 years, after which we inevitably have to leave. Death is an eternal truth, an unavoidable reality. So why harbor envy or hatred in this short life? We should ensure that there is love and harmony among all people, that we stand by each other. To achieve this, it is essential to listen to the voice of our conscience and regularly chant Ram Narayan Ram. This seed mantra will guide you to your ultimate destination.